Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a light switch in Reaper. And what's a light switch, you ask? It's this little icon that I have on the top of my toolbar that when I press it, it's gonna switch to the light mode version of the theme I'm using. And in this case, it's switching to the hybrid version of the Reapertips theme. And yes, this thing is finally out and you can get it in the description. It's a new update. It comes with a hybrid version and also an even brighter version with light menus and all that. But I really love this hybrid theme, which perfectly balances the dark and the brights into one really cool theme. So yeah, in this theme I'm gonna show you how to quickly switch themes like this, and also I'm gonna show you this little trick where I have a toggle to switch between both themes. To start, I'm gonna show you the most simple way, which is using the SWS extension, and we go here at the top menu, SWS, and then go to the resources window. And in here, you're gonna switch to the theme tab right here. And once you're here, there's 4 spaces available where you can put any theme that you want. So in this case, I'm doing the Reapertips dark version, the hybrid version, and the light version. 1, 2, 3 in those spaces. To put a new one, all you need to do is just right click and select load file. And then you're gonna search for the theme that you want. In this case, I'm gonna load the anti-theme because that's such a good theme as well. And I'm gonna put also, it comes with the light version, so we can add that as well. And once we have the themes that we want, we can load them using an action. So for that, we go to the actions menu and show action list. And in here, we're gonna search for load theme like this, and you will see the 4 actions available with the 4 spaces that we just set up. So for example, I set dark mode to the number 1. So when I run this, it's gonna switch to the dark theme of the Reapertips theme. And then if I load number 2, it's gonna load the hybrid version of the theme. So now you can just put those actions in your toolbar like this. I have them over here, load 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for example, if I just put these numbers to make them really clear. So if I press 1, that's a dark theme. And if I press 2, that's a hybrid theme. And next, I'm gonna show you how to do the toggle, which works like this, and it's super cool. And of course, you can take inspiration from this and apply it to other toggles that you wanna use in Reaper. This is not only exclusive for themes, you can use this toggle with whatever you have in mind. And this type of toggles, you create them like this. You go to the extensions menu that by SWS, and then go to Cycle Action Editor. Now with the Cycle Actions menu, you can create toggles like I show you, and this one is pretty simple. It's pretty much just going in between these 2 actions. So let's actually create them from scratch. So to make a cycle action, you would right click over here and add cycle action. And then dark, light mode, you can name this however you want. And like this. Then there's a toggle switch over here. You want to enable that. So let's make that appear a dot like that. Now, all you need to do is just find the actions that you want to add in there. And for that, we need the actions menu again. So go to actions, show action list, and let's search for load theme. So with this selected, the dark mode selected, let's add it as the first step over here in the Cycle Actions editor. So to do that, we can simply right click over here, add selected actions in the action menu. And now it's gonna load this one over here. And then we want to have a step in between these 2. So next, we can right click and select add step. This is gonna make it so it tells the action that this is the toggle that it wants to switch in between these 2. And lastly, we select number 2. And over here, we do the same thing, add selected action. And now this is a toggle. And like I said, you can do this with any 2 actions that you want to toggle. And I have a bunch of these that are toggles that I usually use. For example, the show high tuner that I made a video back then, it pretty much goes with the same logic. But this is the most simple one, and it's a good way to understand how cycle actions work. So with this done, all you need to do is just hit apply, and then this will appear in your action list. So you just need to search whatever name you put it. So I just put dark mode test, and in here you're gonna click run, and it's gonna load the dark theme. And if you run it again, it's gonna load the hybrid theme. And yeah, that works. And it's always gonna have a state, so that's gonna make it so the toolbar icon lights on appropriately. So for the toolbar icon, I just put that action over there, the same action, and that works really well when you put it over there because it's gonna light up when it's dark mode, and it's gonna look disabled when it's light mode. And yeah, that's it. It's just a small trick that you can keep in mind if you want to load themes fast. Maybe you have 4 different favorite themes. So on the top of my head, there's a few themes that offer a light mode. I'm gonna put them somewhere in here. And I hope the Cycle Action Editor inspires you to look further into it and create your own custom workflows with it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.